So this is one of my all-time favorite cameras. It is the Fuji X100V. I love the pictures it takes, and I really like the small form factor. But one of the problems with its size is that it can be kind of hard to hold on to. I 3D printed this little thumb grip, and that really helps when you're holding the camera with one hand. The problem is 3D printed parts don't last forever, and you can see this is the second one I've broken. And while it is easy enough just to print another one, how many times am I going to keep 3D printing this part? Instead, we're going to machine one out of aluminum. It's been a while since I've done manual machining, so I'm looking forward to this. And I'm going to use this one as a template. Critical tolerances are going to be for these slots because it has to slide into this hot shoe mount. So that's going to be an important measurement. But I think this will be fun. Let's do it. Oh my word. That got hot. I do not know what happened, but that got hot. That is crazy. This is ferric chloride and apple cider vinegar. Now we're gonna neutralize it with some baking soda, but actually I had to let it go because it got hot to hold. That is absolutely crazy. And it darkened it up real nice. Wow. A little bit creepy. Anyways, I'm gonna go clean this off. And hopefully we haven't changed our dimensions too much with the sandblasting and then whatever just happened with that chemical. All right, well, I'm gonna call this done right here. I'm not sure how the finish is gonna hold up. That was a very strange chemical reaction that went on. And I did end up coming in with a punch and hitting a couple of these holes again because it was a little bit loose, and I've actually had these 3D printed ones fall out, which doesn't break my heart because you can print more, but I don't want to lose this one. So the finish I might come back to. Maybe I'll try and see if I can figure out how you anodize aluminum or something. I was thinking about laser etching something on here. Still trying to figure out what I want, but this fit is really good. Starts right in here, and then right at the back, it's a little snug, but I can still get it off, and that's not coming out on me. So pretty happy with that. And it's kind of funny to go from 3D printed, digital CNC manufacturing, back to old school manual machining. Just something I've been wanting to do for a while. It was kind of fun, and turned out okay. All my layout was purely by eye and just scribing lines with my calipers. So I guess that's not by eye, but it's not like I had any fancy layout equipment or anything like that. Milling machine is definitely what made this possible. Belt grinders are handy as well, but if you have the tools, you might as well use them. And still not entirely sure about that finish. I don't know. It looks kind of neat, but we'll see. I may end up doing something different in the future. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day. Cheers.